In this video, we are going to look into the direct ledger sum. So there are not going to be any journal entries or upper column. Directly we are going to post the entries into the ledger account. So they've asked us to prepare Anand's account. This is sum number 10 in the Samacheer textbook. So they've asked us to open out Anand's account. So here Anand's account is being opened. The ledger account, both the debit and the credit side is ready. So let's get into the first transaction. The first transaction on 2017 July 1st, credit balance of Anand account is 4,000. So simple, go to the credit side. This is nothing but the brought down balance. So on the credit side, write the date 2017 July 1st. So this is by balance brought down from the previous month. So this amount is 4,000 to be recorded in the outer column of your Anand's account. Simple, the first transaction is over. Next, on the 15th, amount paid to Anand. So in order to do the direct ledger posting, it is very essential that you know the golden rules by heart and it is to be in your fingertips. So amount paid to Anand, in this the cash is going out of the firm and Anand is receiving the amount. So Anand is the receiver, so debit the receiver and cash is going out of the firm. Therefore, cash is credited. So therefore, Anand is in the debit. So go to the debit side of your Anand's account and record the opposite account's name. This is happening on the 15th. So the opposite account's name is to cash account. The amount is 2,000 rupees. Next transaction on the 18th, goods purchased from Anand on credit. So we are purchasing goods from Anand on credit. So goods are coming in. The purchase what we did is coming in. And we are supposed to pay Anand. Therefore, the entry is going to be purchases account debtor to Anand. So to Anand, Anand is in the credit. So go to the credit side of Anand's account and write the opposite account's name. So this is on the 18th by purchases. Account. The amount is 8,000 rupees. So this is nothing but credit purchase done with Anand. Next on the 20th, paid to Anand 3,960. And discount allowed by him is 40 rupees. So we are paying Anand. Therefore, cash is going out and Anand is receiving the cash. Therefore, Anand account debtor to cash is the original entry. We'll deal with the discount later on. First, we'll record the cash. So this is happening on the 20th. So to cash account, we are paying only 3,960. Next is discount allowed by him. So discount allowed by him, we are receiving a discount. Therefore, discount is a nominal account and we are receiving it as a profit. Therefore, we are going to credit discount. So Anand account debtor to discount allowed by him. That is, we are receiving it. Therefore, Anand account debtor. So this also comes in the debit side. So on the same 20th, we have to discount allowed account. So this has been allowed by him. The amount is 40 rupees. So for the 4,000 which is supposed to be paid by us, we have paid 3,960 and 40 rupees discount has been given by Anand. So next is goods purchased from Anand. So we are purchasing goods from Anand and we are considering it as a credit purchase. Therefore, when we do credit purchase, the entry is going to be goods are coming in, purchases are coming in. Therefore, purchases account debtor to Anand's account. So Anand is in to the credit. So go to the credit side of the Anand account and record this transaction with the opposite account's name as by purchases. The amount is rupees 5,000. So with this, the transactions are over. Now let's tally up our account, add up the debit and the credit side. So debit side, if you see, it is a total of 6,000 and the credit side, if we see, it is a total of 17,000. So the credit side is more. Therefore, write the credit side total as a grand total. That is 17,000 to be written as a grand total. On both the sides, that is, I finish with the credit, so I move to the debit. On the same line, see that you write the same 17,000 as a grand total. Now, next we do not have any business with the credit side, so we have to move on to the debit side. The debit side, the total was only 6,000. So, the balance is going to be recorded here. So, on the last date of August 31st, to balance carried down. So, 17,000 minus 6,000 is going to be 11,000 as a balance. So the same balance has to be taken to the next month, that is August 1st. So I'm moving to the credit side. The balance carried on was on the debit. So move to the credit side under the total. August 1st by balance brought down 11,000. With this, the Anand account has come to an end.